Hey, welcome to another episode of Motilnet. Today we're going to talk about a stock called Polar Power, POLA. I was away a couple days, and on the trip, we were talking with some people. Anyhow, someone told me he was just getting into Pola, so he asked if I can do a quick one and send him the link once the file is uploaded. So we'll do that today for him now that we're back at our desk. So we'll take a look over here at Pola. So as of last week, it seems like we have a nice trend that's starting to ascend. We have a nice ascending wedge, you see. Now we have a support zone, resistance support right here at about $1.45, which is what we touched yesterday in the after hours. Yesterday, this morning. So what we do is if we wanted to get an idea of where this can go, we can measure this candle right here. And that'll give us an idea of around $1.49, $1.54. Let's see where we line up over here. So the 1618 does line up to an area. $1.64 lines up perfectly with some top wicks from May, which would be an area that we want to see hit and hold and then actually go for a nice breakout. So once it passes $1.64, I would have to say we're probably going to want to get a quick measurement on this candle that was on that day where we're breaking out, and we can see here our next lines. So we're looking for around $1.78, which lines up with the 1618 at $1.77. Then the next line is here around $2. Next one's here at 252. See how that lines up perfectly? Look at this. Boom. So these are the next areas. That's basically a 2x from here, and then if it starts running and squeezes, it can really go. Looking at the share count, there was only about 12 million shares. So the share float, the count is really low, giving it some good opportunity for some squeeze. So this could be a good candidate. If you like it, entry somewhere around $1.36 to $1.40, and then you can have a stop maybe right here around $1.27 or even $1.25. That could be safe. If you want to play even safer, drop just below the low of the run, which is at about $1.19, $1.20. So you have a 20-cent risk. That's the whole risk of this channel, and you can let it run. So if you're to buy 1,000 shares or 100 shares or 1,000,000 shares, whatever amount, this is not financial advice. Protect it. Have a stop loss. We probably will retrace to around $1.31. That's what the angle could be. So if we draw out like some potentials here, basically if we keep it going, it'll be nice and just follow the trend right up. I'm assuming we'll probably get some kind of bounce like that, and then it'll take a few days and keep forming out. This has already been over 4 days, so this might take another week or two. If we jump to the daily chart really quickly, basically once we break out of the zone that we're in right now, this $1.45, like we said, we can make that $1.67, get that run going up to that $4 range, 252 range, sorry, for the 423 if you want to make it, and ultimately would be the $4 range, retesting all-time highs in that area. All right, guys, play safe. Have your stops in. Good luck.